Welcome to our tutorial on hiding slides in Google Slides. Whether you're organizing your presentation or preparing for a specific audience, knowing how to hide slides is essential. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. 1. Open your presentation, log into your Google Slides account, open the presentation that contains the slide you want to hide. 2. Select the slide to hide. In the left sidebar, film strip, click on the slide you want to hide. To select multiple slides, hold down Ctrl, Windows/Linux, or Command, Mac, and click on the slides. 3. Hide the slide. From the menu bar, choose Slide, Skip Slide. Alternatively, right-click the selected slide and choose Skip Slide from the context menu. The slide will now be hidden from view during presentations. 4. Unhide a slide. If needed, to unhide a slide, select the hidden slide in the left sidebar, choose Slide, Unskip Slide from the menu bar. Alternatively, right-click the hidden slide and choose Unskip Slide. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.